Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be unboxing this Triple D Diva Box. So I got this package yesterday and I immediately film it because I want to show it to you as soon as possible. So let me just take it and remove it from this bubble mailer. So Triple D releases their Diva Box every first week of the month, and this is the Diva Box for the month of February. Diva Box is not a subscription box, they just release a certain amount of boxes every month, and I'm telling you, they really sell out really fast, like in a span of 2 to 3 minutes. So yeah, we'll be putting more details about the Diva Box in the info box below. So for now, let's open the box. And here is what it looks like. So it says here, don't hide your inner diva, and it comes with all of these goodies. I am so excited. So first one, this is like a chrome powder with an applicator sponge, and then this one is of course the foils. These foils are so colorful and perfect for the spring. So let me just open it and show it to you guys. So it is a combination of flowers and butterflies. There are also pastel colors in it. This is so nice. I am excited. And next one is this item. Ooh, I think this is the caviar beads. Yeah, it is the caviar beads. So I'm just going to open it and show it to you guys. I love the packaging. Look how pretty it is, and I love that cute logo in there. And yeah, and there's really a lot of products in there, so I am really excited to try this one. And this triangle train here is for the caviar bead, so then when you pour the caviar, there's something to catch it. Ooh, I am so excited about this. This is the Triple D tool caddy. So basically we use this to do or to let our swatches dry. It's like a swatch stand, but you can also put here your tools, your brushes, your cuticle pushers. But for me, I really love to use this when I am swatching colors, so that I can let it dry when I apply top coats and activators, etc. But of course, you can also use this for your tools. It's really versatile. And now for the dip powders. Usually Diva Box always have 4 dip powders in it. So yeah, let's see the shades. Ooh, I am loving this green here. The dip powders that are exclusive in the box are labeled in numbers, so these are the 13th, 14th, and 15th. Let's first open Diva Dip 13. So this is a solid lavender dip powder. Next one is Diva Dip 14, and this is another solid color. This is really my favorite. I am such a sucker for teal and turquoise colors. And this is Diva Dip 15. It is a nice glitter that has a hollow flakes in it. I really love this as well. And this Sell Out is another thermal dip powder, so it turns green when it is cold and clear or light green when it is warm. And here are the 4 colors that are included in the Diva Box. I really love it. It is perfect for the spring, and the green one is perfect for St. Patrick's Day. And now it is time for me to try all these products. I am so excited to do a mani of this Diva Dip 13, 14, and 15. So I already applied my UNT peel base, and I just applied 1 coat over my builder gel. And also I will be using these Triple D liquids. So first I will be applying this Diva Dip 13 on my thumb and pointer finger. I will be applying Triple D dip base and do my first layer. Dip it to the powder and clean your cuticles afterwards. So for my thumb and pointer finger, I applied 3 layers of this color. And moving on to the next color, this one is Diva Dip 14. I will be applying it on my ring and pinky finger. And for my accent nail, I will be using Diva Dip 15 for my middle finger. And now I am going to try these silicone finger protectors that I got from Dollar Tree. I am using these to press down all the flakes and glitters. So yeah, so far so good. I am just dusting off all the excess glitters and flakes, and now I am going to pour some of this glitter on this cupcake liner so I can lay flat my finger properly for my last layer. And now it's time to apply the clear dip powder. I am using this to clear and encapsulate all my colors and glitter. After that, make sure to dust off all the excess powders, and now let's apply the activator. After I apply activator, I am just going to file and shape my nails off cam, and I'll be back. This is after all the filing and shaping. Now I am just going to apply these cute little butterflies and flowers. I will be using this Triple D foiling around as my foil glue. Apply it on your nail and cure it in the lamp for 30 seconds. You must be very generous when putting this glue. After curing, I just cut this cute little tulip and will be applying it on my pointer finger. So make sure to really press the foil properly on your nail so that it will transfer, or you can also use this cuticle pusher to scrape all the design. Using a tweezer, remove the plastic covering. So I am just going to add the small butterfly and put it on top of the tulip. So again, I am going to apply foiling around and do the same process for my ring finger. And I will be putting this cute little design over my pinky finger. And now I am going to use Triple D gel top coat, apply it to all my nails and cure it in the lamp for 30 seconds. So after curing, I have realized that I want to try the caviar beads. So I am just going to apply this one on some of my nails. So I will be using this Triple D brush and this Triple D builder gel to adhere the caviar beads. So I just get some builder gel and apply it on my nail. And I just realized that my camera didn't record the process, but don't worry, I will be showing it to you to the next nail. After this, get your tray and your caviar beads, and then slowly pour the caviar beads over the builder gel. Make sure that the tray is under your finger so it catches all the caviar beads. I didn't realize that these caviar beads also comes with rhinestones in it. So yeah, it's a mixture of caviar beads and rhinestone. So I removed the rhinestone and decided to only put the caviars. So I am using this orange stick to arrange the caviars and make sure that I follow the shape of the tulip. And afterwards, I am going to cure it in the lamp for 60 seconds. And this is how it looks like. I really love the caviar. It added dimension to my nail. And now I am going to do the same process for my ring finger. So I'm just going to put back all the caviar from the tray and apply the builder gel. So I like to spread the builder gel in a circular motion so I can only concentrate putting it in the shape of the tulip. And I am just gently dragging the builder gel so I can follow the shape. And this is after curing. Now I am just going to wipe the sticky layer with some alcohol. And now it's time to apply skincare. I will be using the Scales of a Mermaid in the scent Not Your Basic Vanilla. And this is the final look. I am really loving this month's Diva Box. Let me know in the comment section if you were able to get the box too. I am really in love with the pastel colors. They are so beautiful and perfect for the spring, but you can still use it all year round. So I will be putting all the details about the Diva Box in the description box. Thank you again for watching. Till my next video. Bye!